Did you know in order to bring an injury claim, you must sustain a permanent injury? It's called the permanency threshold. So how do you prove a permanent injury? You can prove it through death if somebody dies after an accident, if you sustain permanent scarring or disfigurement, permanent loss of bodily function. Your medical records from your treating physician after an accident can show that you sustained a permanent injury within a reasonable degree of medical probability. So the subjective and clinical findings that your treating doctor finds through observation, your MRI films, things like that can be used to prove that you sustained a permanent injury. Of course, your doctors who treat you after an accident are in the best position to formulate an opinion on whether or not you sustained a permanent injury after an accident. So just keep in mind that when you're in an accident, just because someone else is at fault doesn't necessarily mean that you're entitled to payment. You prove how much you're entitled as far as in terms of a settlement through your medical records and the injuries you sustained, your medical bills. It's not just because somebody was at fault that you automatically get paid after an accident. You have to have been injured and sustained a permanent injury and have damages from the negligence of that other party. And those are all on the burdens on you to prove. Make sure you hire an experienced personal injury attorney who can help gather the documentation and evidence needed to prove your permanent injury. AttyLDub Weber Law Firm.